And good morning to everyone. So today lead code question is 3612, which is process string with special operations and part 1. So basically in this question we are given a string s which consists of lowercase English letters, and it has some special characters also, that is star, hashtag and percentage, right? And what we need to do is we need to use this string s, and we have to build a new string result and process the string s according to the rules given over here, right? So it is given that if we get a lowercase English letter in the string s, then we directly append that character to the our result string. And if we get a star character, if we get a star, then what we need to do is then we need to remove the last character that is present in the result string. And if we get a hashtag, then we have to duplicate the current result. So if our result is a b c, then and then suppose if we get hashtag in string s, then our result will become abc abc, right? So we have duplicated our string and append that string to itself, right? And if we get a percentage, then we need to reverse the current string. So suppose if we get a percentage here, then when we reverse this string, we get cba, right? So we get the reverse string, and at the end what we need to return is we need to return the final string result after processing all the characters in the string as. So let's see the examples. So first we get first our result string is empty, right? Then we get a character a, so we append that character a to this string. Then we get a hashtag. So hashtag is basically means duplicating the string. So here we have a, so a, it will become a, that is duplicated. Then we get a b, that is again a character, so we append this character to the result, we get a b. Then we get percentage means reverse, percentage means reverse the result. So aab will become baa once we get the percentage. Then we get star. So what star will do, in star we have to remove the last character. So here last character is a, so when we remove it, it will become ba. So ba is our answer, right? So let's see the constraints. So string length is only 20, right? S dot length is only 20, and as we know it consists of lowercase English letters and some special characters, star, hashtag and percentage, right? So let's see the approach part. So basically what we do is we'll process the string s from left to right, and then we maintain a result string. So when we get a lowercase letter, we directly append that lowercase letter to the result. So suppose if our result is ab and our current character is c, then our result will become abc, right? Our result will become abc. And if we get a star, in string s, then what we'll do is then we delete the last character. But before deleting the last character, we have to check whether our result is empty or not. If it is not empty, then we remove the last character, right? So suppose if our result is abcd, and we get a star, so we need to remove the last character. So we pop the last character, so we get abc. Then the third operation is if we get a hashtag is basically we need to duplicate our string. So what we'll do is we'll append the entire current string to itself, right? So suppose if our result is abc, so what is the duplicate of this string, that is abc, and now we need to append this duplicate to the current string, right? So it will become abc, right? So hashtag, when we get a hashtag, we directly duplicate the string and append that string to itself, right? And the last operation is percentage is basically reversing the string, that we need to reverse the string. So suppose if our result is abcd, and then when we reverse it, we get dcba, right? So these are the four operations that we have to handle. So let's try to understand dry run. So we are getting a hashtag, b percentage star. So first we get a character, so we directly append that character. Then we get a hashtag. Hashtag is basically duplicating the current character. So if we duplicate the current answer, in the current answer we have a, so we duplicated a and append it to itself. Then we get a character b, so we appended that character b. Then we get a percentage, that is reverse, so we reverse it, we get baa. Then we get a star, that is remove the last character, so we remove the last character, so we get ba, which is our answer, right? So this is a dry run. Let's move to the complexity analysis. So here let m is the final length of the string, final length of the string. So if you see the time complexity, so we can append a character in big of one time, and even if you have to delete the character, it will also take big of one time. And if you have to duplicate, so in duplicate we need the current length of the answer, right? Because we are appending that much of character to the current answer, so duplicate will take big of current length. And reverse will also take big of current length, because we have to reverse all the characters, right? So if we see the overall time complexity, m is the final length, so if we see overall it will become big of m as the time complexity, right? So let's see the code part. So here what we have done is we have taken our string answer, and then we have iterated over the string as, if we get lowercase letters then we push that character into the answer, else if we get a star that means we have to remove one character, so we pop back from the answer. If we get a hashtag means we have to duplicate, so what we do is answer is equal to answer plus answer, and in short form we can write that as answer plus equal to answer, right? That means we are appending answer to itself, right? And then if we are getting a percentage, then that means we have to reverse, so we have reversed our answer, and at the end we return our final string answer. So that's it.